Master the art of suturing with the Student Suture Practice Kit, 38 pieces by Stelmar Instruments, a complete training solution designed for aspiring medical professionals. Whether you're a medical student, nursing trainee, or surgical intern, this kit is your key to building confidence and precision in suturing techniques. Our comprehensive kit includes a realistic suture pad, featuring multiple wound patterns to simulate real-life scenarios, along with a variety of high-quality suturing tools, including needle drivers, forceps, scissors, and a range of suture threads with different needle types. Perfect for students and professionals looking to enhance their skills. Invest in your skills today and take your suturing practice to the next level with Stelmar Instruments. Follow us on social media for the latest updates, product, and tips from Stelmar Instruments.